In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Dell Inspiron screen flickering problem. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are having trouble with the screen of your Dell laptop, then there are various solutions that you can follow. I'm gonna present a couple of the most common ones, and you will be able to see where the problem lies. So to start, within Windows itself, go into the settings, and what I recommend that you do here first is to look for display. So look for display settings, then you will see only one display. Scroll down until you find advanced display, and in here change the refresh rate. Usually it is recommended to use the highest refresh rate that you can. So if you are set to something like 48, bump it up to 60, 75, 120, whatever the maximum is that you have available. If the problem is happening while you are using the highest refresh rate, then you have to do the opposite and lower it, because it could be having problems trying to deliver those high refresh rates. So try making it higher, and if the opposite is true, then you can make it lower, whatever helps you in your current situation. Next, perform any necessary Windows updates. So go over here to Settings, Windows Update, and as you can see, there might be settings related to the screen or Dell. Always make sure to install and update as needed. Now, with all of this done, what you can also do is go to the official Dell website, and in here, look for your Inspiron model. By searching for your Inspiron model on the official Dell website, you will be able to acquire the latest drivers. There are plenty of models, so it's important that you look for your specific one. Once you find a specific model here that you would like to update, then you will be able to click on it, identify the device, and you will be given the proper drivers. So you just have to run the executable file. They do this automatically, so it's simple. The last option that you have, which could be a temporary solution, is to use an external display. If you are already using an external display, and that's why you are getting the screen flickering, it could be because of a faulty cable. So if you have a faulty cable, make sure to get it replaced as soon as possible, because a faulty cable will give you problems when trying to display your screen on your monitor. So always replace the cable, and like I said, if you weren't using this solution before, you could try attempting an external monitor just to see where the problem lies. And if all else fails, the best course of action would be to talk to the Dell customer support. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Dell Inspiron screen flickering problem. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.